Speaking of giveaways, you can see right here my countdown. As of this recording, we are at 9,930 subscribers. That means we only need 70. Boy, it's backwards on your screen. How about this? 70 more subscribers to the 10,000 mark. I believe with anything in me that we're going to hit that 10,000 mark before the live stream on the 18th. So, you all know what that means. If we do hit that number, the 10,000 number, I will give away an ICOM IC7300 right on Hamshack TV Live December 18th. Only if we hit 10,000 subscribers before then.